Top 10 Trending Diets. In this episode of Health Topic, we're running down the top 10 trending diets. Find out which diet plan works for you, or which doesn't. Find out how to modify your diet depending on your lifestyle. Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Health Topic. Before we proceed to our top 10 list of trending diets, please show your support by liking this video and subscribing to our channel. We are committed to creating meaningful, informative, and entertaining content just for you. In this age of information, it's extremely convenient to find a lot of healthy options online if you're looking for health and dieting tips. However, there's no diet plan that is a one-size-fits-all for everyone, and sometimes it's hard to find the one suited for you. If you're currently on a particular diet, it's important to break it down and get into the nitty-gritty if you haven't yet. This may just enlighten you to either maintain your diet or to change it to another that better suits you. Are you considering going meatless? Are you confused about the differences between a vegan and a vegetarian diet? Compare these top 10 trending diets of 2020 and see which ones might work for you to have a healthier lifestyle. Number 10. DASH. The DASH diet, or Dietary Approach to Stop Hypertension, is one of the diets most supported by doctors. Considered the second best diet in the world, it was developed to prevent hypertension and reduce the risk of heart disease. It can also be the easiest to start because it has no elaborate rules and no food groups are eliminated. This diet emphasizes eating fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean protein, and low-fat dairy, which contains the best blood pressure deflating components, which are fiber, potassium, calcium, and protein. See the following example meal plates to compare with yours. Number 9. Mediterranean. Certainly, one of the most popular diets, the Mediterranean diet is first in the 2020 diets ranking. It's commonly acknowledged that the populace living near the Mediterranean Sea has a longer life expectancy than most in the United States. They also suffer less from cardiovascular ailments and all types of cancer. The basic components of making a Mediterranean diet work, besides an active lifestyle and weight control, is reducing your intake of red meat, sugar, and saturated fat, and increasing your intake of produce, nuts, and other fresh, healthy foods. Number 8. Mind. The Mind diet, as its name suggests, is a type of diet that specializes in improving brain health. Taken from two proven diets, it stands for Mediterranean-Intervention for Neurodegenerative Delay. According to a recent study by the National Institute on Aging, adhering to the Mind diet lowers the risk of Alzheimer's disease by up to 53%. This diet recommends eating leafy green vegetables, nuts, and berries, which can lower the risk of developing several brain disorders. Number 7. WW. WW, formerly known as Weight Watchers diet, is a popular commercial diet and a comprehensive program for losing weight. It has also developed into a healthy option for improving overall well-being by counseling. WW diet also does not restrict food groups. You eat what you want, from whole foods like steaks and broccoli to cookies and chocolate bars. However, it depends on your eating habits, weight loss goals, and exercise levels. For subscribers to the WW, the program matches each person with a diet plan: the green plan, the blue plan, and the purple plan. Number 6. Volumetrics. Basically, the volumetric diet is focused on eating foods that provide the most amount of nutrition for the least amount of calories. One of the simpler diets to follow, it teaches you to break down a food's energy density to fight off hunger without necessarily eating a lot. Food is divided into 4 groups. Very low density includes non-starchy fruits and vegetables, non-fat milk, and broth-based soup. Low density includes starchy fruits and vegetables, grains, low-fat meat, and breakfast cereal. Medium density includes meat, cheese, pizza, fries, salad dressing, bread, pretzels, ice cream, and cake. High density includes crackers, chips, chocolate candies, cookies, nuts, butter, and oil. As the basic principle is to maximize consumption on very low density and low density foods, watch your portion sizes on medium density and minimize consumption of high density. Do you like the top 5 trending diets so far? If you're interested to compare the hottest diets this year, stay on until the end of the video to learn more. Number 5. Flexitarian. The Flexitarian diet is a vegetarian diet that is not strict in eliminating meat from your food groups. The author of the Flexitarian diet, registered dietitian Dawn Jackson Blattner, says that it is not necessary to restrict meat to maximize the health benefits of vegetarianism. This can even mean going 5 days or more without any meat to compromise with veganism. It is also mentally helpful in the sense that there is less pressure on rigorously adhering to your vegetarian diet. When the urge hits, it's still safe to chow down on a steak. Number 4. Mayo Clinic. The Mayo Clinic's unique food pyramid helps you recalibrate your eating habits by eliminating the bad ones and replacing them with good habits. The food pyramid highlights eating more fruits, vegetables, and whole grains because they have low energy density. You can eat more, but still take in fewer calories. By following the Mayo Clinic diet, it is expected that you'd lose 6 to 10 pounds in 2 weeks and continue losing up to 2 pounds weekly until you hit your target weight. Number 3. TLC. The TLC diet, or therapeutic lifestyle changes, has been around since the 1980s, when it was used in conjunction with medication to reduce the risk of heart attack and stroke. It is focused on controlling cholesterol levels to battle coronary heart diseases. TLC promotes eating more vegetables, fruits, bread, cereal, pasta, whole grains, low to non-fat dairy, and lean meat. The guidelines are broad enough, so you have more food types to choose from. Meeting the deadlines is up to you, though here are a few tips to start. Keep meat consumption to no more than 5 ounces a day. Eat up to 4 servings of fruit and 4 servings of veggies a day. Eat 2 to 3 servings of low-fat or non-fat dairy a day. Eat 11 servings of bread, cereal, rice, pasta, or other grains a day. Number 2. Nordic. The University of Copenhagen and world-renowned restaurant Noma in Denmark created the Nordic diet, originally to improve public health. Centered on seasonal, locally sourced foods, the Nordic diet also advocates for protecting the environment. These 10 concepts are the fundamental principles of the Nordic diet. 1. Eat more fruits and veggies every day. 2. Eat more whole grains. 3. Include more foods from the seas and lakes. 4. Choose high-quality meat, but eat less of it overall. 5. Seek out more food from wild landscapes. 6. Use organic produce whenever possible. 7. Avoid food additives. 8. Base more meals on seasonal produce. 9. Consume more home-cooked food. 10. Produce less waste. Number 1. Vegan. Veganism is gaining more and more popularity, mainly for its ethical reasons. The main principle of a vegan's diet is to eliminate all animal products, which include meat, fish, dairy, eggs, and honey. While it continues to prove its incredible health benefits and effectiveness, it's not for everyone. This diet needs to be done right, because lots of processed foods, like Oreos, Swedish fish, and orange soda, are considered vegan and may not prove healthy in the long run. So, for a vegan diet to work, it requires responsibility and vigilance in every food intake. You've just seen the top 10 trending diets. Have you tried any of the diet plans we mentioned? Would you like to share your personal experience? Let us know in the comments section below. The groundwork of all happiness is health. If you want to continue your journey to a healthier and happier life with us, support our channel by hitting the subscribe button. We are excited in making more great content for you. You can also pass on these latest health tips to your friends and loved ones by sharing this video. Thanks for taking the time with us today, and we'll see you in the next Health Topic video.